Welcome back to Love Vegan, and this week we'll be making Cabbage Surprise. This is a snack that really rivals onion bhajis and it's absolutely delicious. So for this recipe you will need 1 carrot, 1 onion and approximately 1/8 of a cabbage. Some flour, some soda water or some very cold water. So to cook, simply add all the vegetables into a pot. Add the flour and then approximately 150 ml of your soda water or your very cold water. And then simply mix all these ingredients together. Add a pinch of salt. And then mix again until all the ingredients are coated with the flour and the soda water. Medium-high heat, and add enough oil to the pan to be able to fry these. So you want to cover the bottom and then just add a little depth. Add a piece of vegetable to the oil. When it starts to sizzle, you know the oil is hot enough and ready. So just form your veggies into a really loose bhaji style. Don't press them too tight because you want the oil to get inside and really crisp up the insides as well. So for this we're just using some salad tongs just to gently press together a little bit of the vegetables and add them into the pan. Simply cook them for about 4 minutes on each side, and as soon as you see one side to get golden, then you know it's time to turn them over. So simply flip over your Cabbage Surprise and then cook the other side for about 4 minutes again until they're really crispy on the outside and really well cooked on the inside too. Then once cooked, simply take them out of the pan and then dry the oil off on a paper towel. And it's simple as that. Pop them on a plate and then serve with some sweet chili dip and a squeeze of lime. These are absolutely delicious. This is one of my favourite snacks to make. Thank you very much for watching this week, and we'll see you next week on Love Vegan.